Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to select multiple messages in the Telegram desktop app using just one simple click. Whether you're cleaning up a busy chat, forwarding important info, or just want to organize things a bit faster, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to quickly select several messages at once without any hassle. Let's jump right in. So first thing, go ahead and open up the Telegram app on your desktop. If you're used to using Telegram on your phone, this desktop version is just as straightforward, but it packs in some extra handy features, one of which is bulk message selection. Once you've got the app open, navigate to the chat that contains the messages you want to work with. This could be anywhere, a one-on-one conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a channel. Just double-click or tap to open that particular chat window, making sure all the messages you want to select are visible. Now here, where the magic begins. Instead of tediously selecting each message one after another, we're going to speed things up. Take your mouse and right-click on any single message, the one you want to start with. Maybe it's the first in a series or just any random one, it doesn't matter. When you right-click, a context menu will appear. Sometimes the wording in this menu might look a little different depending on your version, but what you're looking for is select or select messages. Click on that. You'll notice at this point your cursor changes slightly. It might turn into a checkbox or just look a bit different, and that's your signal you're in selection mode. Here's the fun part, you can now left-click on any other messages in the chat to add them to your selection. So if you want, just one click per message, nice and easy. But let's say you've got a ton of messages you want to grab. Instead of clicking each one, just click and drag your mouse across all the messages you want to highlight. It's like drawing a box around a bunch of files on your desktop. Super quick, super efficient. You'll see each message highlighted as you drag, so you know exactly what you're selecting. Don't worry if you accidentally include one you don't want, just click again to deselect it. After you've selected all the messages you need, look up or down for the little action bar that pops up. It gives you several options. You can delete those messages, forward them to someone else, pin important messages, or even reply in bulk. This part is great for cleaning up clutter in group chats or dealing with spam, and it saves you tons of time compared to doing it one by one. If you change your mind or just want to start over, you can hit the S key on your keyboard to cancel the selection, no harm done. And that's really all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can breeze through your messages in Telegram and handle them like a pro. If any part of this process looks a little different for you, don't worry, Telegram updates occasionally, but the steps are almost always the same. Just poke around and you'll find the options. Thanks for watching, everyone. If this tutorial helped you speed up your Telegram workflow, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.